I prepared two projects, but I will speak about this project. The rainbow is in the sky. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The cloud is white. I put tissue to represent the snow. The bird is in the sky. The second one is red. There are two flowers. One is violet and one is yellow. The bush is green. The rocks are on the floor. And finally, the frog is in the river. Hello, my name is Ella Maria. Come with me to see my garden. It is yellow flowers. It's a river. It's an orange tree. A vegetable garden. It is a frog. It's a bird nest. It's a mountain.